All right, here we go into audio recording. In this section, I'm going to start by getting us a new set. Let's start from scratch, shall we? We don't need to save that. Um, in this section, we're going to talk about a couple different things. We're going to talk about the hardware we need um, to do audio recording well, and that includes microphones. We're going to talk about microphone placement and how all that works, how you should have live set up to do recording well, multi-tracking, and we'll be talking about recording in session view and arrangement view, the two different sides of it, doing multi-tracking, overdubbing, all that stuff in this section. Now, one quick thing I want to point out before we go any farther is kind of my philosophy on recording. It was true that for much of history, if you wanted to do professional audio recording, you had to spend time renting a big recording studio. And you've all seen these pictures of, the classic big recording studio setup. But you can do that same recording, that same quality of recording at home in your bedroom with a laptop now. Tools like Live have made it very possible to do that. The only big difference is that it's harder to record big ensembles. And what I mean is like a 4-piece band all at once. It's hard to do that without one of those big studios, but it's not impossible by any means. It's just a matter of space and acoustics, really. But if you're recording one instrument at a time, and definitely if you're producing electronic music and want to add, 2 or 3 elements that are acoustic and you want to record them, you can get totally professional recording sound in just by working in your bedroom in Live. And in order to do that, you need to know the things I'm about to tell you. So let's dive in, shall we? Let's go into our hardware needs. So some things we need to know about the hardware of recording.